Faculty has played a really great role, especially in my DBA program. It's the entirety because I'm lucky enough to get the professors who are not just teaching, they have the industry backed up experience and they are currently guiding the businesses across the nation. I've been getting great professors who are more focused on giving hands-on experience for the students by pushing us out of our comfort zone. Every professor wants our success. Our success is their success. They emphasize it most of the time. And professors are available all the time. It is not just you got to reach out to them only during the class hours. You write an email, talk to them. They will be happy to schedule a separate session just for you. I'd still reach out to some of the professors from 2-3 years ago and get some information, get some guidance.